There aren't many riders at the Tour de France who have a song of devotion written about them, and even fewer riders who attract the same fanatic crowds as Biniam Girmay. The 23-year-old's record over the last year or so has attracted a pop star-style following of fans from his home country of Eritrea, who spend time and money cheering him on to greater heights. Cycling is ingrained in Eritrea's culture, arising from the country's years of control by Italy. Everyone, young and old alike, rides a bike. As Bini's fame has grown, so too has the band of dedicated fans who follow him to races around Europe.
I think, of course, the young people, if you see, they are really passionate about cycling. They like cycling, especially the Eritrean cycling. Like I tell you, if you grow up in Eritrea, for sure there is a lot of race in different places. So a lot of people, they are really a fan of cycling. I think that's why they are always come to see, because they love cycling.
From his team's home country of Belgium to Italy, Spain and beyond, and now here at his debut Tour de France, they bring their own brand of music, chants and love of the sport for all to see. We wanted to find out more about Bini's followers, so went in search of their stories.
I live in France, Tunis. Yep. I came from Eritrea, Asmara. Biniam born in Asmara. Eritrea, Asmara.
Why do you follow him to so many races?
But I love the bicycle. All Eritreans love bicycle.
And Bini is a big hero in Eritrea.
We are proud of him.
You're very proud, yes.
Yes.
Here we support Biniam Girmay. He play for Intermarché from Africa, Eritrea. He's from Eritrea.
We are very happy for that result for Biniam Girmay. Today he will win for 13, but all of the time he will gain the first winner. Today you will see we are happy. We are happy for the result.
When do you think he will win a stage?
I think on Bordeaux, but yesterday.
He was close yesterday.
Yes, because of Philipson.
You think he should have won, but he was pushed?
Yeah, he pushed him.
Bini's biggest win to date depends on whether you're Belgian or Italian. In last year's edition of Ghent-Wevelgem, he outsprinted Mathieu van der Poel, unleashing a wave of celebrations in his Intermarché Wanty Goubert Materiaux team.
Yes! Yes! Wow! Bini! Champion!
Then in May he won stage 10 of the Giro d'Italia, only to be forced to abandon the race the following day after the cork from the bottle of champagne he opened on the podium hit him in the eye. His stage win at this year's Tour de Suisse, when he was mobbed by fans after crossing the finish line, sticks in his memory.
Yeah, it's really special, you know. I've never think to find like these people in the race, but Tour de Suisse was something special, you know. I think this is also for me one of the biggest victory with the sprint, and after that to celebrate with them, I'm still feeling I'm in Asmara or I'm in Europe, so it's totally different feeling, but super happy to have them.
Bini's team, Intermarché Circus Wanty, believes in him enough to give him a contract until 2026. Not only will that keep him in the Belgian team's colours, it'll mean his fans continuing to bring their relentless enthusiasm to races around the world.